Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you make a working model for math division. First, gather your materials. You will need a sturdy piece of cardboard for the base, scissors, glue, and colorful markers. Think about the division concept you want to demonstrate, such as sharing a total number of items equally among groups. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful and engaging learning tool. Now, let's construct the base of your division model. Cut a rectangular piece of cardboard, roughly 12 inches by 18 inches, to serve as your main surface. Using a ruler and marker, draw several distinct, equal sections on this base. These sections will represent the number of groups you are dividing into. Label each section clearly to indicate the divisor. Next, we'll add the items you'll be dividing. Create small, identical objects to represent your dividend. These could be 24 small buttons, beads, or paper cutouts. These manipulatives are the total quantity that will be shared. Make sure they are easy for small hands to pick up and move, and that they stand out visually against your base. Finally, let's demonstrate division using your model. Begin by placing all your manipulatives in one pile. Then, distribute one object into each labeled section, going around until every manipulative is placed. Once all items are distributed, count the number of objects in any single section. This count clearly shows the quotient, or the answer, to your division problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.